Basically a boogie board, a motor, and a servo to control your rudder. Yeah guys, so I know a lot of you are snowed in, and this is a really cool weekend project for you to work on and get out and just kind of skid around on the snow, water, or grass. It basically would run on anything. Boogie board, hard bottom boogie board, ESC, a motor, and a servo. So yeah, running crossfire. So when powering your ESC directly from your receiver, you need to calibrate the ESC each time you plug in. Throttle all the way at full, 100%. Plug in your pack. Wait for your ESC tones. When you get your ESC tones, drop your throttle all the way down to 0. ESC calibrated. So this thing's running on 6S. This is a MEPS SC2306 1950 kV motor. Alright, check.
Whispers in the wind, they call. Ooh, they call. Fading shadows, rising fall. Endless roads, where do they lead? I'm chasing dreams, chasing dreams. Heartbeat steady like the drum. Feel the night has come. Endless horizon. I'm free, lost in the rhythm. It's me. Endless horizon. So white, dancing with the stars tonight. Footsteps echo on the sand. Time slips like grains through my hand. Golden skies, they paint my soul. I lose myself, lose control. Heartbeat steady like the drum. Feel the night has come. Endless horizon. I'm free, lost in the rhythm. It's me, endless horizon.